we get a SmartArt design tab opened over here. We can select from the styles it provides us with and change the color from here. And here is where we can add the values and the items that we want to our SmartArt. So I can say this is it, this is that, and we can go ahead and actually add all these values in order to achieve what we are seeking inside our SmartArt.
The video you just watched is a part of the Takeoff College, the smartest alternative currently available for the traditional education. If you are looking for improving your real-world skills with project-oriented courses, or if you are looking to increase the value of your time on a daily basis as either an employee or a business owner, for over 15 courses bundle, plus our over 50 upcoming courses and all the updates, plus individual certificates of completion for each course, obtain your lifetime access today, paying our one-time fee with a great discount inside www.thetakeoffcollege.com. Learn more in order to earn more. It's always been like that. See you inside the program.